Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python and Pandas tutorial series. This is Raja Ramesh, and in this video we will discuss about list comprehensions in Python. So list comprehensions provide a concise and efficient way to create lists. So instead of using the traditional loops whenever you want to generate some list, you can depend on list comprehensions so that your code will be more readable and Pythonic. The basic syntax of using this is you will be creating a variable and assign with this one. Use a pair of square brackets and in that start with some expression which defines how each element is modified before being added to the list. Okay, so that will be kind of some mathematical or any expression. Per item in iterable. This is something like your normal for loop for item in iterable. So it will be picking each item from some iterable and doing the expression. And optionally, you can have a condition also so that that condition filter which element get included into the final list which is being prepared. Let us see this in some examples. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new file and name that as list comprehension or list comprehension demo.py. In this, let us create a new list. Maybe the requirement is I want to get all the squares of numbers from 1 to 10. So I will take a list and name that as squares. And in that I am going to save I star star 2. If you remember the mathematical operators or arithmetic operator we used to find the power, so I power 2, and for each I in the range of, because the iterable I am using is the range now, range of 1 to, I will keep 11 so that my requirement is to find the squares of 1 to 10. So this is how we use. So now from this range, one number in each iteration will be picked up and it will be computed with I power 2 and will be added to the list of squares. And if you see printing this, print simply squares and save this, clear the console and Python list comprehension demo.py. It will result in 1 square, 2 square till 10 square. If you see, this is the list we generated, and see how clear the code here is. We didn't use multiple lines of code with regular loops. So this is the ease of doing or using list comprehension instead of traditional for loops. And similarly, we will see another function, and I want to get a list of even numbers within the range of 20, maybe. Got it? So here we will put a condition also. As we have seen the syntax, condition is an optional item and we did not provide any condition in squares example. Let us see how to use that also. So maybe take one list name events and provide the comprehension. Maybe I for each I in the range of 20. I'm not providing start and end or ranges, and the condition is if I percentile 2 equal to 0, only then I just want to get the number and save that to the events. So from this range, each and every element will be picked up and that will be taken based on this condition. We are not modifying anything. We are just, the expression is simply I only. Got it? So if you save this and run this code again, you will see, oh, I did not print this. So print events, save it again and run it. You see from 0 to 18 we got all the even number. Got it? And we can exclude 0 if you want, so that you want to start from 1. If you run this again, you see the actual even numbers 2 to 18 because 20 is not included in the range. And let us see using this on some strings. Maybe I have a list of strings and I just want to prepare another list after converting all the strings in that list to uppercase. So initially we take some words list. In that we save maybe names only, Raja and some fruit and some city, Hyderabad. Maybe we can have mixed case also. And my requirement is now I just want to convert all the elements of words list to uppercase and create new list. So new words equal to we will prepare a new words based on the expression should be every word should be converted to upper word dot upper, and you need to provide for each word in words, right? So that it will be picking one word at a time from word and convert to upper and save in new words. If you print new words, you will see the words in uppercase. This is the output we have seen. So this is how we use list comprehensions. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.